is up, guys? It is Jordan from Awesome Motoring here, and I just started recording because, well, of course I gotta make this video for you guys. Just got a package. If it's what I think it is, then I'm about to be really excited right now. So that's what it looks like. So let's get to opening it. Alright, so I don't think I'm gonna need a knife to open it just yet, but let me open it as best as I can with one hand. I have no clue what this is. Ooh, I see a logo that I know. Momo. Oh snap. What is this? What is this? This box is kind of messed up. Either way, I am pretty excited because I don't even remember what this is. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's get this out of here. This looks like I need a knife at all. Okay, that fell in there. This box is messed up. I don't even know where it came from. But not complaining. Okay. Pull this thing out of here. Oh, dropped it. Okay, let's see. Ho 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 ho! My God, that looks nice.
Nice.
This looks nice. Look at that. Oh man, I'm impressed. I'm impressed because I don't know where this came from. Is there anything else in the box? Actually, yes there is. Let's see. Alright, guess that's for the horn and for those nuts on the side. And it seems that, my goodness, this looks good. Guess this is going on the Miata. Oh wow. Oh wow. Alright, the quick release, I don't have it just yet, but it should be coming in the mail. That is one thing I know I ordered, so I'm gonna create a video on that whenever that comes in. I'm just gonna put it on. This looks amazing though, my goodness. I just want to get another one just to hang on my wall. I don't even want to put this on the car. Oh man, okay. I don't know what to do with this now. Alright, let's wait for a quick release.
2 days later.
So, after a lot of work today and some Jordan fabrication, I got a quick release. Hey guys, back. I'm at the wrap shop. Let's wrap that. Let's head over. It's probably backwards. But the thing I was saying that we're working on is the banners. These are a design that I said that you guys have seen before. You guys have looked through the shirts. Yeah, basically it's about to start printing right now, and it's an element that we've never really seen in a banner before that we're adding in. So I'll let you guys see it here. What's up, guys? It's Jordan here once again. This week's been pretty weird with fixing the Miata. So I got my I got my steering wheel. The steering wheel is supposed to go on the car. I have it here, and it got the middle just so release will be able to fit. But I installed it and it was frustrating me so much that I don't know, I just decided to not record, not show you guys some negativity that obviously you guys just don't want to see. Even though that would have been a pretty cool install video, it had everything gone to plan. What ended up happening was that, so the hub adapter that I put on the Miata, basically it fit so perfectly that when I did the test fit, it decided that it didn't want to move when I had to attach it to the quick release. And the problem with the quick release is that the other end's on the car right now, but this end here, it wouldn't be able to fit with the little like stud screw thing sticking out the car that the original steering wheel was on. So I had to figure out somehow how to get that on without like having the wheel fall off while I'm driving the car. This is just it was so stressful, but the wheel, it works. It's on. Well, it's not on, it's right here, but it was on. I drove the car a little bit with it. It worked, but we have a lot more parts coming, and honestly we have all the parts to turbo the car. It's basically ready. We just need everyone's schedules to work out so that we will be able to do this correctly and not just do it, to get it done. We want to do it right. We don't just want to blow up the motor. Although how that would be very spectacular to do, but that's not what we want to do. So yeah, but I guess we have the manifold and the turbo right over there. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. So right down here we have the manifold, the adapter, and the manifold, adapter, and turbo here. I have it attached with 2 studs and nuts for each one. Very strong, but yeah, we gotta attach those to the car. I gotta test fit it. I gotta make some I have to make some supports for it because this thing is massively heavy, and I feel like that box might cave in anytime soon. But yeah, hopefully everything will stay together. Yeah, and I'll make a better video for you guys coming this Monday. It just, I don't want to show you guys something that's boring. So, but for now, guys, I gotta go. I'm about to head to a car show, so I will check in with you guys later. I'll record some footage for you guys to watch, and yeah. But for now, see you later. Stay monstrous.